I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in vending machines. While not all machines accept PayPal directly, many are compatible with mobile payment apps like Google Pay or Apple Pay, which can be linked to your PayPal account. Look for stickers indicating mobile payment options, QR codes, or NFC symbols on the machine. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to enjoy your favorite snacks using your digital wallet. To get started, open your preferred mobile payment application on your smartphone. Navigate to the payment methods or wallet section within the app settings. Here, you'll find an option to add a new payment source. Select PayPal and follow the on-screen prompts to securely link your account. This usually involves logging into PayPal and authorizing the connection, a process that takes just a few moments to complete. Once your PayPal is linked, approach the vending machine and make your selection. When prompted for payment, choose the mobile payment option. This might involve scanning a QR code displayed on the machine screen or tapping your phone against the NFC reader. Confirm the transaction on your phone, and within a few seconds, your payment will be processed, and your chosen item will be dispensed. It's a quick and convenient way to pay. For a smooth experience, always ensure you have sufficient funds in your PayPal account or a linked bank account. Double-check that your phone's near-field communication, or NFC, is enabled if you're using the tap-to-pay method. If you encounter any issues, try restarting the mobile payment app or having an alternative payment method ready. Should problems persist, contacting the vending machine operator or the app's customer support can provide further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.